Right, F14 Skymaster cockpit rebuild has started. I haven't even finished this Dragon cockpit, but anyway, I'll start with the seat because the seat is ready on a computer and has been 3D printed also. Almost everything, there's a few parts are missing, but otherwise came out quite nice. Side panels, as a few parts are missing, as I said. The cockpit itself, well, let's not talk about that one. Possibly I will redo the entire cockpit, but that will take time, so I start with the seat first. So that's the original A model seat here. If somebody's interested, that's what I'm used for scaling up the planes. Really nice books. And I'm gonna do a D model seat. So that's the D model seat. Looks pretty good from the size. So as I said, I have to wait for the rest to come. There's a few parts on the head missing, but otherwise on the size looks pretty good. So it'll be like something like that. Yeah, but I guess it's gonna look much better and more scale. In terms of the plane, it's amazing. I have this intakes which are full functional. You can see it here. Works great. And the plane itself is awesome, flies fantastic. Especially with the 150s. Easy to put in, a lot of space to work with around the engine, plenty of thrust. Really nice setup. Yeah, that's it. I will keep you posted on the cockpit rebuild on the F14 from Skymaster.